Good day, everyone. I'm Jewel, and it's time for the weather. Now, I've been telling everybody that a lot of snow was going to be coming up in this area, a lot of freezing rain for the last several days. This storm is going to materialize, my friends, so please be aware of what's going on in today's weather. It's looking like a potent, powerful winter storm is expected to be across the northern plains this weekend. Okay, we're going to have a lot of snow up in Minnesota, around the Brainerd area and more. We're going to have rain that comes along the coast, but we're going to have a lot of freezing rain. Please, I suggest you watch this all the way through. Plus, we have a good chance of some severe weather down in Texas, and tomorrow that's going to spread over into probably Missouri, Arkansas, western Tennessee, parts of Louisiana. So let's get right to it. Here we have a look at the GFS map. Of course, this is the American model, but it's looking pretty good. I'm going to turn it on. Please pay attention, folks, to what's happening, okay? This potent shortwave trough that's situated over the desert southwest today is going to support a surface low-pressure system that will track eastward to the western high plains by tomorrow morning. Now, as this low is expected to develop further as it lifts towards the northeast through early Sunday and become a powerful winter storm from eastern Colorado to Minnesota. Now, winter storm watches are already in effect across these areas with the potential of a half a foot to a foot of wind-blown snow from northern Nebraska to southeastern North Dakota. That's 6 to 12 inches. Now, blizzard conditions are also likely for some of these areas. Heavy snow is also expected from the central Rockies. Further to the southeast, a corridor of freezing rain, like I've been showing you. You'll see that freezing rain pop up on the map here. It's also expected. And sleet. Now, this should all be from eastern Nebraska to northern Wisconsin. The potential exists for some significant icing, periods of freezing rain, perhaps greater than 1/4 of an inch, and then we've got mainly rain expected farther east in the warm sector of the storm, with rainfall up to probably an inch across parts of the Midwest states, maybe some more locally higher amounts in different spots. Elsewhere across the U.S., showers make a return to western Washington state and Oregon as a weakening cold front is going to approach this region. Now, scattered showers and a few storms are likely for the Florida Peninsula, with a sustained period of moist southeasterly flow as it goes through. Now, mild and dry conditions are forecast to continue through tomorrow from North Carolina to southern New England before rain returns for all of these areas on Sunday. And if you look, you can see this is just one model. All the models are showing it, some in different degrees, but it's looking like you guys right in here are going to get slammed with some snow coming up by Sunday. Please be aware, with freezing rain as this map moves through, you have seen it, is going to go in many different places. We do have this low that's coming up down here that's going to be bringing the chance of some severe weather. So let's just move right along. I'm just going to run through a couple of these for you, but folks, this storm is no joke. From portions of central, north central, and the panhandle, southwest and west central Nebraska. This is heavy mixed precipitation expected mainly tonight, with ice accumulations of 1 to 2/10 of an inch. Snow totals anywhere from 4 to 12 inches are likely, and the wind is going to gust as high as 40 miles per hour. It's not going to be good to get out in this at all. It's going to make travel very difficult to impossible at times. Areas of blowing snow Saturday night into Sunday. It's going to reduce your visibility greatly. Now, the freezing rain and the wintry mix of precipitation is expected tonight. This will be followed by the development of snow tomorrow. Strong winds will develop tomorrow night into Sunday, and that's going to make the snow blow and drifting snow, and that's going to make travel very, very difficult. Once again, this is for portions of central, north central, the Panhandle, southwest, and west central Nebraska. Now, from Saturday morning, tomorrow morning through early Monday morning, we've got heavy mixed precipitation expected, total snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches, and ice of up to 1/10 of an inch, and heavier snow accumulations of 6 to 12 inches is going to be possible from Brainerd Lakes area north through the central borderland, with the wind gusts as high as 40. Of course, this is for portions of east central, north central, and northeast Minnesota. You are under a winter storm watch in effect from tomorrow morning through late Sunday night. Now, Saturday morning through early Monday, this is when all of this is going to happen. It's going to make the travel very difficult across much of Minnesota this weekend. Please be aware and stay prepared. Now, as we look at the categorical outlook for severe weather today, this is today, and we do have a chance of some scattered thunderstorms. They're expected over eastern New Mexico, as you can see right in here where it's marginal, and West Texas. Now, these storms are probably going to pick up during the evening and overnight areas, and there is a marginally severe storm chance that could pop up in these areas. Also, we have a chance of thunderstorms over here in Arizona as well, but this goes up into Oklahoma and Kansas and western Missouri, and there is a chance of some tornadoes. Small today at 2% as this system moves through, bringing snow up in these areas. It's going to make this 2% jump to 5, maybe even 8 or more percent by tomorrow for northern Louisiana, parts of Arkansas, parts of Missouri, and parts of western Tennessee. So we're going to have to keep our eyes on that. Today there is a 5% chance of hail. It's small, but it's still there for eastern New Mexico and western Texas in these areas. So if you're traveling, be aware of this. I know a lot of you are still going to be traveling from Christmas. Be aware, folks, bad snowstorms coming up in these areas, okay, from Nebraska all the way up in these areas right here. If it's not snow, it's going to be freezing rain and sleet as it moves along. Please, please be careful and heed what I'm telling you, because it's going to happen. Everybody have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Please subscribe if you haven't. I would appreciate it very much. Peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Please stay safe, and thanks so much for watching.